So we're making the tops of that post, and it had fragmented, and this is kind of the design that was on it. So what I did was I made it, turned out it was 5 by 5, so I made a 5 by 5 square, put it on the lathe, and turned this out. And this in itself is, a pretty cool design. But they took it a step further, and they put this 45 on there, compound, and now you can see it's getting even cooler. So I was going to cut it by hand, but it's kind of hard to hold, and the saw wasn't the sharpest, so I decided to take it over here on the sander and I put marks on it so I have some guides to go by, and then gradually just take it down. I only have 4 corners, and it's white pine, so it sands pretty easy. And it's going to look great. Really cool how one little thing changes the look so much.